are earning, how much you are spending, how much you are investing, or how much you are growing your money. After earning, spending, investing, it's also about achieving your dreams and goals with the help of that money. Make the best use of that money, lead a very good life with the help of that money, making yourself happy and others too. Enjoy that money and finally distribute that money in such a way that it's respected even after you leave this world. Remember, never compare your net worth with others. Never copy others while investing or spending that money. Don't think too much about money, because if you think too much, you feel lack of it and it invites stress in your life. Never be under any peer pressure, show off, or feel jealous about anyone else's lifestyle. Sit back, relax, and be very clear what exactly you want to achieve in your life with the help of proper goal-based financial planning. Goal-based financial planning. Our goals can only be reached through a vehicle of a plan in which we must strongly believe and upon which we must vigorously act. There is no other route to success. Every individual has financial goals that requires to reach in short, medium, or long-term period. For example, if you plan to buy a car in next 2-3 years, it can be called a short-term goal. Likewise, if you wish to plan for your retirement and children's higher education, then these can be termed as long-term goals. First, you need to know your various financial goals which you wish to achieve over various time periods. Then, you need to figure out the time you have in hand to reach these goals. Once you are clear about these two, goal and the time frame, work out the present cost of each of these goals. Now, apply inflation to the current cost and you know the future value of your goal. Accordingly, you require to plan your financials. This is what goal-based financial planning is all about. Let us understand in detail why goal-based financial planning is necessary. Why financial planning is extremely important. It is very important that when whole life you work hard for money, there should be some stage in your life where money starts working hard for you. We all have got responsibility and some serious responsibilities too. You have to buy a house, get married, complete children education, etc. The list goes on and on. After completing your basic responsibility, then you can dream of purchasing a beach house. But can you afford to achieve that with just a retirement fund? After toiling over for whole life, sometimes you don't reach the goal. You know why? Have you ever heard the saying, by failing to plan, you are planning to fail? Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. A financial planning is step-by-step approach to reach one's financial goals. Even the financial goals require a better planning. Let us understand the important things to be considered while doing goal-based financial planning, which we also call holistic financial planning. Inflation is when you pay rupees 60 for the 40 rupees haircut, which you used to get for rupees 15 when you had hair. It's very much important to consider the inflation while doing our financial planning. The cost of living and investment ratio increase due to inflation. Hence, while doing a financial planning, always take into consideration the inflation rate and the time you would like to achieve the financial goal. In other words, inflation eats up your money and you don't realize it. Today's 100 rupees will look like 40 rupees after 10 to 12 years, and that's what is inflation all about. The monster which eats up all your money and purchasing power.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.